Hello students, welcome to your maths lecture. So now today we will start with the table of 9. Okay, so the table of 9 is 1 nines are 9, 2 nines are 18, 3 nines are 27, 4 nines are 36, 5 nines are 45, 6 nines are 54, 7 nines are 63, 8 nines are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 10 nines are 90. So now once again, 1 nines are 9, 2 nines are 18, 3 nines are 27, 4 nines are 36, 5 nines are 45, 6 nines are 54, 7 nines are 63, 8 nines are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 10 nines are 90. So now the table of 10. This is very easy table, isn't it? 10. Okay. So the table of 10 is 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. Now the table of 10 once again. 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, and 10 tens are 100. So now we have done the table from 1 to 10, right? So you have to write these tables, you have to even learn it, okay? You have to by heart them. So now today we are going to see Today we are going to learn, that is multiplying a one digit number by a one digit number. So we will learn it, okay? So children, what is it? It is multiplying a one digit number by a one digit number. So here first one example we can see, that is what is it? It is written multiply 5 by 3. So we all know that 5 into 3 equals to 1 5 15. Okay, 5 threes are what? It is 1 5 15. Okay, so now as you know, we will draw a table here. Then we will write tens and ones. Now 5 is tens or 5 will come in ones place? Tell me. 5 will come in the place of ones. Okay. And the tens place will be empty. Okay, children. Okay, wait a second. Okay. So now we will learn it in more detail. Okay. So now we are going to learn, that is multiplication of a one digit number by a one digit number. So now let's learn to multiply a one digit number by a one digit number. So example 1 is, that is multiply 3 by 2. So the step 1 is arrange the numbers vertically according to their place value. So here if you can see, 3 and 2 both will come in the ones place, right? So what you have to do is, step 1 is arrange the numbers vertically according to their place value. Second step is recall the table of 2 to get 3 into 2. Okay. So now you have to recall the table of 2. So the table of 2, do you know the table of 2? No? Yes, we all know it, right? So the table of 2 is 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, then what? 3 twos are 6. Okay, so now we got the answer 6. So now what you have to do is, you have to write 6 in the ones place, and even you will write 3 and 2 in the place of ones, right? And even the 6 number you will write it in the place of ones. Okay, so you will write it like this. Okay, so you will write it like this. You will draw a box like this. You will draw lines. Okay, you can do it more properly in your maths notebook. Okay, but you don't forget to write tens and ones here. Okay, tens and ones, and then you will write the numbers which comes in ones in the ones place, and the numbers which come tens in the in the tens place. And please don't forget to put a multiplication sign here. Okay, so that is you have to put, you cannot forget that. Okay, so now we have done step 2. Now, okay, so now these were the steps. So the first step was arrange the numbers vertically according to their place values, and the second step is to recall the table and then write its answer in the place of ones. So here we get the complete table and answer like 3 into 2 equals to 6. Now we will learn example 2. Now we will see the example 2. It is multiply 4 by 5. Again you will draw a table, then you will draw lines, right? Then you will write tens and ones, that is T and O. Then you will do the multiplication then you will do the multiplication sign, and then you will write the numbers vertically in the place of ones. So you'll write 4 and 5, right? Then we will move ahead towards the step 2. So now what you have to do is recall the table of 5. So now we will recall the table of 5 to get 4 into 5. So the table of 5 was, tell me tell me the table of 5. 1 fives are 5, 2 fives are 10, then 3 fives are 15, 4 fives are 20. Yes, we got the answer. So the answer is 2020. So what you will do now, is now we have 2 digit, right? So now you will write 0 in the ones place and you will write 2 in the tens place. Okay, so you will write 0 in the ones place and you will write 2 in the tens place. Same way it is shown here. Okay, it is shown here clearly. You will write 0 in the ones place and you will write 2 in the tens place. Okay, so it will be like this. So the answer will be 2020. So that is 4 into 5 equals to 20. Okay. Now example 3 is multiply 7 by 6. So what you will do it, children? So what you will do here? Can you tell me what you will do here? First you will draw the table, then you will write tens and ones, and then you will arrange the numbers vertically, right? And then you will recall the table of 7. So we will recall the table of 7, that is 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, then 5 sevens are 35, 6 sevens are 42. Yes, we got the answer 42. So now you will write 2 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place, because we are getting the answer in 2 digit. So we will write 4 in tens place and we will write 2 in the place of ones. Same way we have multiply 4 by 8. Here we will draw a table, we will write tens and ones, we will do the sign of multiplication, then we will write the numbers in the ones place, and then we will do the multiplication sign. Then we will recall the table of 4. Okay, so we will recall the table of 4, that is 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, 5 fours are 20. Then what? Tell me, then what will come next? Then 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are, or you can even say, what you can say, 4 eights are. Okay, So the answer will be the same. If you say 4 into 8 or you say 8 into 4, if you recall the table of 4 or you recall the table of 8, the answer you get will be the same. So here the answer which we are getting, that is 4 by 8, is 32. That is 4 into 8 is 32. Okay. So now let's do the exercise 7.2, which is circle the cherries that should be placed above these muffins by solving the given sums. So 3 by 8. So here you will recall the here you will recall the table of 3, right? So let's recall the table of 3. Okay, that is 1 threes are 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, then it is 5 threes are 15, then 6 threes are 18, then 7 threes are 21, 8 threes are 24. Even you can recall the table of 3 or you can recall the table of 8. Okay, the answer will be same, that is 24. So you have to circle the correct answer. Now second you can see is 2 into 6. So you can even recall the table of 6 here. So that is 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Yes, we got the answer. You can recall the table of 2 or you can recall the table of 6. So we got the answer 12. Third one is 9 into 4. You can recall the table of 4. You can even recall the table of 9. So let's recall the table of 9. 9, that is 1 nines are 9. Then 2 nines are 18. Then 3 nines are 27. Then comes the answer, that is 4 nines are 36. Or you can say 9 fours are 36 or 4 nines are 36. Alright, so here also we will circle the correct answer. Then it is 5 into 5. So this you will do it by yourself. And here you have complete the multiplication table. Right? So you will complete the tables of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 like this. So you will complete the table like this. 6 ones are, then you will write here 6. Then 6 twos are, then you will write here 12. Okay. So like this you have to complete the table. Whole table. It is your homework. Okay children. So that's all for today. And the third question, that is multiply the following, that we will do it tomorrow. Okay. So now that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.